What's up guys, RETROCENGO here, back with another pinball video. In today's video we're gonna unbox this beautiful Godzilla Pro pinball machine from Stern. This is the second one today. The first one is unboxed and it's at Steelhouse in Copenhagen. So if you're in Denmark, visit Steelhouse and you can play Godzilla today, the 11th of October 2021. And it's such a nice game. This is the Pro version. Let's see how it is. I mean, we have seen the gameplay video of the Premium Elite version. That's just mind-blowing, a masterpiece by Keith Elwin. So I want to say thank you, Keith Elwin, for this design, this game. Thank you to Stern. I mean, I love this company. Everything Stern makes, produces, they're great machines. So let's just go ahead together and unbox this beauty and make it RETROCENGO style. Not just a static camera from one angle just showing the gameplay. No, we're gonna open it, remove the glass, look inside, under the playfield, close to all the mechanics, everything. We're gonna take everything in depth look. So join me on this one, guys, and let's unbox this dude. Yeah! So, talking about the artwork, usually I really don't care the artwork of the cabinet. As you can see, you can't see the size. I don't care about that. The front is important and the back glass is important for me. But there's just so much talk about the artwork on Godzilla pinball machines. It's too bright and yeah, stuff like that some people are being about. Let me tell you, the real deal. Pictures is one thing, but I'm experiencing this. The artwork is absolutely one of the best I have ever seen on a Stern pinball machine. It looks so vibrant, so bright, I mean so colorful. It's just wow, all the way around. Great artwork. There we go. Oh man, it looks nice. Yay! Stern Insider Connected Moose. Thank you for purchasing limited edition Stern Insider Reward. Nice. Looks nice. Let's just light it up. Okay, first look at this. Yeah, who gives? Okay. Quick look here. This is the Pro model. Dude, it looks empty, man. Wait. Okay, let's turn on the lights and take a look, because first impression, it looks Stern Insider papers. Okay, let's put on some lights. It's not as empty as this. This is empty. Look at this. Empty. Oh yes, emptiness. Emptiness. Nice. So, let's start from the bottom. Yeah. So yeah, on the limited edition premium model, they have got this big mechanical building. I mean, that's why it looks so empty here. Look at this, we have different color LEDs over there. Nice. Then snappy flippers. This one is not. Okay, yeah, this is the underside of the playfield of the Godzilla Pro version. Looks clean. Magnet over here. 3 flippers. 1 pop bumper. Nice. Absolutely amazing backglass artwork. I love it. Toho. Looks nice. Look at that plastic building. And also, let's look at the details here. This here at the back, 3D effect. It looks nice. This little Godzilla, he's cute. I'm gonna break something here. Alright, again, 3D effect, Tokyo. I love everything Japan. That ramp looks so intriguing. This little mecha, I mean, you have to go premiumly on this one. We have got a spinner over here. We have got a spinner down here. And we have got a spinner shot over here. When we saw Keith Elvin play, he actually shot this shot a lot of times. So 3 spinners on a pro machine. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, so right ramp there. I like these trains. It reminds me of, you know, the city like Ghostbusters. Looks nice. Oh man, that magnet. This shot behind the flipper. Wow. Got a little target here. Master cannon. We have, what's this? Mother save. Oh, we have got, oh, nice. Stern has installed protector here at the ball drop. And also here, that's nice. So we have got this area protected. This is a high ball traveling area, so that's nice. Now we can't install any playfield protectors because they're not produced yet. But oh, this playfield, it feels like it has got the thinnest layer of clear coat, man. Oh, I hate to play this without protector on. Oh, wait. What was that? What? Just like in the Williams days, they have installed. Let me see. Yeah, here from the... look at this, guys. So we have got protector here. We have got this, this little mylar here. It's mylared up, man. That's nice. Okay, details. I mean, it is a pro machine and it looks fine. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna play for a couple of hours and then I'll be back.
I've just been handed a bulletin. I'm getting reports that Godzilla has reappeared nearby. Godzilla's spikes are starting to grow. Everyone evacuate the area now.
Guys, Godzilla plays amazing, but before we review it, I just want to say I hope you will subscribe on my channel because we can try 90s Billy Williams games, 80s Billy Williams games, new Stern games, Jersey Jet games. So just write to me, review this, and we will go ahead and review it and have all pinball on YouTube. Alright guys, we have been playing this game. This game is a masterpiece. Combo, 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 loop, combo, multi-ball, great music, great call-outs. And if you don't like the call-outs, just choose Japan at the start and the call-outs will be so much cooler than everything else you have tried. Now, first, the audio part is 10 out of 10. You guys, you know how important the audio part is for me. And the music, the Mechagodzilla multi-ball music, it's rock, drums. Nothing in the audio package irritated me while playing. So 10 out of 10. Artwork, colorful, I love it. Shots, combo king. Keith Elwin, combo king. I mean, right ramp, loop, wires, combo. It feels so, you have something to do always. It's just so fast. Every shot is just so well placed, nothing irritating. It's just, I love everything about the Pro version. Few stuff I can mention is when the magnet grabs the ball, you guys have to program that. As of right now, it's 0.76, so it's an early code. But when it grabs the ball, it wants you to see an animation and some writing on the wall. But when you have seen that dozens of times, it's just irritating to wait because it grabs the ball and everything else shuts off and you just have to wait for the magnet to release the ball. So included in the code, double flip, let go of the ball. Do it right now. So that's first thing. The second thing, when you play with low level, yes, I tried. RETROCENGO played with low level. You can hear the ball hitting a lot of metal parts. Clink, 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 clink. A lot of metal. So the ball will have small cracks, microscopic cracks that will wear your playfield really fast. So protect your game, a lot of metal parts. I think that's the only two things. And small details like it says, oh, the Mechagodzilla is deploying from the playfield. Oh, you know, the premium LE code. So it has some small details like that. But other than that, that left loop shot that goes up and up to the ramps, amazing feeling, feel good shot. Right ram shot, it's just perfect located, easy to hit. You can also do it with the upper left flipper. Now one thing, Iron Maiden, I love that game because of the loop shot. I love that upper loop shot, okay? This is a really slow upper left flipper loop shot. It loops slow, it's clunky, and it comes down clunky, and you can loop. My friend just made 7 loops. But other than that, spinners, everything, the pop bumper, one pop bumper, but it's placed perfect to make that chaos in the game. The scoop, it shoots out so fast. When it shoots out, don't flip, just let it hit your left flipper and bounce over to the right. Don't flip. When you hit the building on this Pro version, wow. When you make the building shot, it will go in and loop and go so fast back to right flipper. Such a satisfying shot. When I started pinball, I played 80s games, and one day I was invited to a friend's house. He bought Totem, and first time I tried that feeling, that speed of Tales from Arabian Nights, I have never experienced it since then, 15 years ago. But today, first ball, I had the same feeling. But the feeling, it's such a nice pin. So Stern, everybody at Stern, at the production line, designers, coders, animators, sound people, everyone, we just love this machine. It's incredible, man. It's incredible. And let me be honest with you, we unpacked it, gave it some power, put in some credits, directly out of the box, everything works. no adjustment. We did nothing. Clean the balls, put them in, and just play. I'm just saying, you know, we're unboxing a lot of pinball machines from a lot of different companies, and make them like this, guys. Make them like this. But I can see the gameplay. The gameplay is amazing, and you know, yes, the Pro is missing a lot of stuff, but let me tell you, it has got, I don't know if it has got all the shots, but it has got amazing shots. You're getting a lot of gameplay for your money on the Pro version. I love it, but go after the Premium LE. I mean, it's just a must, because everything is just so nice. That moving building, that multiple music. Oh man, I love this pin. Thank you, Stern. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. In 2 months I can make a gameplay video, because we don't know the codes yet. The codes are so easy to understand. There was the first mode I started, I had to hit all 3 spinners sometimes and then finish the mode by hitting the pop bumper once. That's how I defeated the first. And the code is so well done already. Think about it in 6 months how it will be. So Stern, super nice. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe, because my upcoming video will be unboxing a Godzilla limited edition. If you like stuff like this, subscribe. If you like what you're seeing on this channel, maybe consider to support on Patreon, $1 each month. That could be great. So until next time, keep on flipping!